watching Thrifty Kaniffy. Hello everyone and welcome to Thrifty Kaniffy. Well, I've got a knife from Brother for you guys today, and of course Brother's made by Watchmen, and their slogan is one knife, one life. Quick look at the box, pretty plain packaging, just kind of a cardboard style box. It says packing make with recycled materials, made in China. Alright, thank you very much. And we have a model sticker here. Is model 1511 CF standing for carbon fiber. Ming Hong Tools and Hardware Company Limited, made in China. So that's pretty much all there is to the box. And then you got a little canvas bag that it comes in, and then that inside of that there's some plastic. It's got a lot of oil inside there, so it stays well lubricated. Not going to rust on you on the way to you. Here's the knife we're looking at. Again, this is the model number 1511 CF. We've got carbon fiber scales or handles here on this modern style slip joint. 3 7/8 inches. We've got bird eye pivot there. And you can see that's like a brass washer or something in there with like a steel pivot, steel shield, gimp style. Got steel pins or perhaps nickel silver pins. And lanyard hole, probably not big enough for a standard style paracord, but you could probably use some leather cord through there, like shoelace style leather cord. Really wonderful carbon fiber. I believe this to be, carbon fiber that goes all the way through here. It's not like a laminated style carbon fiber layer. It does go all the way through, but you do have that underliner there in blue. I guess that's like a G10 underliner, I guess. And that stainless back spring. Look at the fit and finish on there. You have no gaps. Really well constructed. So I'm happy with the build on this. You've got no proud pins or any kind of rough edges along the perimeter of the knife here. If we look at the back, no shield on this side, but again, that carbon fiber looks really good and really solid looking material there, really well woven, and just really good fit and finish overall on this. You can see the blade centering, maybe not just quite perfect, maybe a little right of center there, but very close, and it's certainly not rubbing or anything. So that looks class. Just really impressed with the feel of the handle and everything. Very smooth. Only one rough edge here is kind of like here in that pivot. Not that you're really going to put your finger there much, but it is a little sharp in there. And the elbow of the tang is probably could be rounded over slightly, just to make it a little more comfortable getting in and out of the pocket or whatever that you're going to put it in to carry it. You can see the position of that nail nick there, pretty well centered. Get good leverage into the half stop. Very definitive half stop there. About a 5.5 on the pull, I'd say. Not super heavy, but much like a Victorinox, it's just got a really definitive snap into both positions. So while the pull on it isn't particularly heavy, it snaps into those positions very well, and you don't feel like that's going to come out at all. It's just a very definitive lock up there. Look at the back here. You can see it's pretty straight across the edge there. Mates well with the spring. Blade stock, kind of give you an idea of the thickness of it. And no swedge or anything like that on there really. Just kind of a drop point blade. And this is again in VG10. Looks like a flat grind on this one. I don't really see any hollow grind to it. And there's a look at the blade edge. Pretty well done. Maybe just slightly heavy at the tip as it starts to round off. Pretty good. Not bad at all. This side, pretty even as well. Not perfect, but not too bad. Now on this side you do have Brother one knife, and then your nail nick. And then the model number here just says 1511, even though this is actually the 1511 CF. So maybe they have other handle materials that they just use a common model number on the blade. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the fit and finish of this thing. Very well constructed and has really good blade action on it. Very affordable. This is like $35. And that's not bad when you get that upgraded steel. And you actually get 5% off of that with the little promotion that Amazon has on there. If we look at the blade length, we have got a 3 1/8 inch total length. So UK guys may have to argue a little bit there, but in reality it is UK legal at 2 3/4 inches blade length, or excuse me, cutting edge. So that should be what matters. But again, we know how that goes. So just know that it is a little over 3 inches to the tang, full length of the blade. But again, really sharp here. We want to do a little bit of a paper test just to see where we're at with the edge. That's pretty good right out of the box. I've not stropped that or anything, so pretty happy with that. You can certainly make that a little sharper if you'd like to, but certainly got a working edge on it for sure. Not particularly toothy either. It's pretty smooth. But just an overall great little modern slip joint. I think Brother does a great job on their knives, and they're very affordable. Kind of in the quality range, I'd say, of a Rough Rider Reserve. In fact, I think they may even be made in the same factory. Hard to know that for sure, but based on some of the other knives that I've seen from Brother, it could very well be. You know, you got the blue G10 there. Kind of some similarities to a Rough Rider Reserve on this particular knife, but there's others that are even more similar. So, in any case, really feel like this is a high quality knife for not just a ton of money. $35. Great little modern slip joint. Should fit well into a medium sized slip. Again, you got the just shy of, just a little more than 3 3/4, a little shy of 3 7/8, so kind of right in between there. But again, the Brother CF, or 1511 CF, got the carbon fiber scales, VG10 blade, very manageable, very light, about 1.6 ounces. So not a heavy knife. That carbon fiber and no steel liners, you're going to have, you know, a very lightweight knife. Very easy to carry. But that's going to do it for my review, guys. I'm definitely going to give this one a double thumbs up. I just really enjoy it. I think it's a very easy knife to carry, and VG10 blade, kind of classy look to it, and blade action that's really nice. Just gives you the fizz, as Jersey would say, when you open and close it. Just kind of gives you that nice, confident feeling when you open and close the blade. And so I just really admire what Brother can do for the money. But that's going to do it for my review. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be made aware of videos when they drop. We'll see you next time, guys. Take care.